Okay guys, so hopefully you guys can hear me since I do have the truck on, but as you guys can see right here, the two corner lights, so I can get it to focus. So the two corner lights right here, those are both flashbacks, so I'll show you guys in a bit, but you can see right there, you guys can see like the headlight, the high beam and low beam are both on with the fog light. See if I can get it to focus again. So there you go. We got all of them on. I did also, I did change all of these LED also. The license plate lights. I did get these you can't really tell, but I got both of the brake light, I guess, and the reverse. That's also LED in there. You can kind of see it in there, but the same thing with I don't know what you call those, but I can show you in the inside. Okay, but here on the inside, so right now all 6 of them are on the high beam, low beam, and fog light. You are able to, if you don't want to drive like that all the time, you are able to, oh, and right there it's on auto, and they're still all on. So you can switch, just to the corner lights. See, just the corner lights. Let me show you guys the flashbacks also. So you can see, if you got your hazards on, they'll flash orange, amber, whatever you want to call it. And then I wish I could, maybe if I go like this. You can see they flash back. And you can also turn on just your headlight right there, just because I have the high beam on. But if you turn off your high beam and turn on just the regular headlight, with that you can have it just kind of like that, regular, I guess. Just your regular headlight plus, the two corner lights. So coming back in here, you can have the fog light with the head. Okay, so here you can see we got the headlight, the corner lights, and the fog lights. Okay, so now what you can see is we have all of them on. That's why they call it the 6 high, because you got your headlight, high beam, and fog light, which is pretty cool. So really, if you don't want to drive with them on, or you want to go back to normal, or if you keep getting flashed back too much and it annoys you, well, you can just drive it however you want. And then also I have the inside. I put LEDs in there too. We did order these, the ones that go inside the mirror, but I currently don't have them with me. They're at my shop, and I haven't gone in for about like a month and a half now due to this coronavirus. But those are simple, easy change. And thanks for checking these out. Alright guys, well there you go. There's the 6 high. I'm sure you can do this on both Chevy and the GMC Sierra. I mean, obviously just the headlight looks different, but I mean you get kind of the same thing, all the lights on. And I did go with LED because they just match, like the brightness and the color temperature of each one. They match the best, I guess, compared to HIDs. There's kind of always a different tint. Even if you choose the same temperature, it's always a little bit different. Even if it's with the same sorry guys, yeah, Mustang driver. But even if you have the same temperature, same brand, they tend to like be slightly different. Right now on the camera, it looks like the fog light is a different color, but I mean in person, it's the same color. So that's the reason why I went with LED, and it's the first time I go with LEDs on my cars. And this brand, I think it's pronounced Hikari. It's really good. It's the first LED brand I tried. I mean, I recommended it, put it on my brother's truck, and I recommend it to all my family and friends. But I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to buy some. It will be the link will be the bulb size to my truck. So just go ahead and select your bulb size. And then also, I mean, I'll just show you guys too the Starlight. It's not completed yet. We still got to do a few things, touch up paint and stuff, but you can kind of see it looks pretty cool. You got all kinds of options. I usually run it on this color, or if not, green. Fan of that green, it looks pretty nice. But you also have just kind of like the fade with all the colors in it. Or no, I guess that's the red one. Well, I guess it's not gonna work. There you go.